How's it going, everyone? We're out here taking a little Saturday adventure in our backyard, just driving around, doing some exploring in Beaver Creek State Park and maybe Beaver Creek State Forest. No, we're just driving around, looking at sights. We got Will today. He was hanging out with Grandma and Papa and
watching jeeping videos, and then wanted to go jeeping, Papa.
Yeah, well, he decided he wanted to get out and go on an adventure, so we're out here taking a drive, checking things out. His eyes are getting pretty heavy back there, though, so he's probably going to be sleeping before too long. We got Willis the adventure pup with us also. He's not tired at all. He's bouncing all over the place, trying to be in the way and trying to look out all the windows and all that good stuff. So we're going to drive around here and do some exploring and see what all we can find and enjoy our adventure.
Is that the same trip room? The little cottage.
That sure looks nice. Don't look like a concrete now. It looks like a river. Well, we would get out and check out everything here. We've been here multiple times before. Will just fell asleep, so we don't really think he'd appreciate getting woke up right now. So we're gonna just keep on going with our adventure and let him sleep for a little bit.
I'll look inside. Willis is mad because I left him in the Jeep.
Oh, we're currently coming down the mountain into Sheepskin Hollow State Nature Preserve. I'm gonna come down in here and check this area out. Are you waving to Papa and Willis? Nice little hiking trail, goes up here through the woods. Always in such a hurry, rushing down the hill. You're gonna get stuck between there. Come on, let's go down here. Careful. Get to the Jeep, let's load up. Good boy, good boy. I'm coming, I'm making it. Let's load up. Was you watching us?
Yeah, I was getting so excited. I was down here waving and kicking my feet and making noise.
There's a trail there. There's some kind of sign up there on the tree. You can't. I don't know what that says.
No hunting.
Not that one, the one back there.
Oh, I can't read that far.
Yeah, exactly. That's what I'm saying. I bet that trail probably, I don't know. There's supposed to be two falls up here, Lower Sheepskin Hollow Falls and Upper Sheepskin Hollow Falls. We'll have to come check them out in nice weather. Probably have to hike to them though. Is that so? Are we climbing the big hill? Yeah, essentially Lower Sheepskin Falls is like right in front of us down in that valley. Goodness, goodness. Right in that valley.
I'm just looking to see what I can see.
Yeah, is that so? Are you giving Grandma your bubba? Must be a trail there that got out. There's some trails. See, just open the gate up. Let roosters go down there. Coming in Beaver Creek State Forest. Not a dirt road here. Gotta go explore it. Goodness, buddy. Down the mountain we go, down the mountain we go.
There's a trail there of some sort.
Also, we got a trail going up through that way too. Uh-oh, sound like you dropped something. No, that's perfect, yeah. I saw it talking about it there.
Hold on, lovey.
Hold on, Pap, I'll get it in a minute.
Well, that's just sticky.
Pap, I'll stop here and grab it real quick. There you go. You need to get another cup holder over there, huh? You want your tablet? You got too much going on, huh? This is going to be like the tiniest state forest I've ever seen. Like if you look here on the map, that highlighted area, that's all it is. It's just got like this one road that goes through it. Like that over on that side, that's not it. It's this up here.
I wouldn't mind living right there.
Yeah, it's a nice little camp. Before we exit this road, don't let me forget that. Beaver Creek State Park.
Oh. Pretty sure I would make it living all year round.
Yeah.
Yeah, I don't even use anything like that. That's too much. Take that.
Yeah.
There's horses out over there, Will. See the horses?
Alright, now we're out of the state forest. You need Grandma to take the milk, Bubby? There you go.
Thank you. Oh, let me take that one too. Thank you.
Look at this bridge, Will. Look at this bridge we get to go across. No outlet, but it just goes down along the river back into the state forest. There appears to be tracks. I don't know if we'll go explore it.
Thank you. Oh. Look, Papa to have it.
Thanks, buddy. That's some good juice. Oh, you want it back? Yeah, you just want to tap on and try it? That's. I think Grandma put too much stuff in it. That's good.
Yeah, big boy. Papa doesn't want milk, man. Hey, right now.
Go climb.
What are you doing with my milk?
I think this just stops back here. It says it goes further, but I think it just stops right there. Yeah, it does. Alright, well. I don't know. I was hoping it went back to
That's
some
interesting.
tracks or something. That little house?
Yeah.
That is. It looks like a out west kind of house. Oh, stop it.
Jealous.
What are you barking at? Yourself or something? You're gonna have to hold on, dude. Yep, now we get to go across this bridge. Wrought Iron Bridge Company, Builders Canton, Ohio. Someone's from. I think that's